Hey, what's up, guys? So, I just wanted to give you a quick little tour of my day. I think I stumbled upon a super tech breeding ground here. I apologize for the wind. I don't know if you guys can hear me very well or not. Let's get over on this other side here. Apparently somebody changed out this ice machine at some point in time. They left that one over there, just chilling. And they left about 397 foot of line set, just flopping around, which, as you know, isn't going to create any sort of oil trap or nothing. I'm actually here to work on that stuff right there. We'll get to that in a minute, though. Here's another sign that you've stumbled upon a super tech breeding ground. Look at this. Fossils. So, let's walk around over here. Dun, dun, dun. This is one of their ice machines right here. I don't care about that though. So this is what we got going on. This unit right here is hooked up to a sandwich station, a little reach-in cooler that's warm. Now this is basically how I found it. I've had about 5 minutes to kind of play around with it. When I got here, it was off, which led me to my first clue that it was off, so it had no power. So turned it on, and let's see if I can squeeze my ass over here. Hopefully you can see that. The sun's really bright for some reason today. Let's turn it on. Amp draw climbs up to about 4, which is about right, I guess. Near about right. There is liquid in that sight glass, but it's not moving. You'll also notice my condensing fan motor isn't coming on because somebody has put a little fan cycling switch on this unit, because this unit is not designed to be outdoors. It's not an outdoor condensing unit, so there's no headmaster on it. So they put that on there to kind of bypass it. Or not necessarily bypass it, but to try to maintain some sort of pressure. But anyway, what I'm going to do, since our compressor is running right now, I'm 99% sure that thing's just not pumping. So looks like I only have, I don't have any other place to hook to. So I'm only able to hook to my suction side, but I have a feeling that I'm going to get no pumping action on this bad boy. So let's hook up real fast and see what's going on. All right, gauges are hooked up. Fired up. Got about almost 5 amps right there. Suction side doesn't look too healthy. Looks like our compressor's pulling it into a vacuum. And our pressure switch isn't telling it to shut off for some reason. Well, now let's turn that off. As you can tell, it's starting to equalize. See, our pressure switch should be turning that off for us. Let's see, we're not bypassed right there. Interesting. All right, well, let's dig into this thing further. Yeah, before I forget, guys, I wanted to show you this. That little number right there. It's not super terrible, but I mean, at least they tried to do the right thing by adding a headmaster to the system. They just got an elbow here and they just bent this sumbitch right around there, and I don't know. Could have made it look a little bit nicer, but hey, who am I to judge? I'm not a super tech. Anyway, I'm gonna mind my business and get back to what I'm looking at here. So, what do we got going on here? There's my low set pressure, just a hair above 0. My cut-in pressure is roughly 40, right? and my differential is maybe 5, so cuts out at 5, cuts in at 40. Obviously right now it shouldn't be trying to cut in, but that beeping noise tells me otherwise. It is trying to cut in, even though we have 0 pressure in there. And right over here we got one of these fancy stickers. So we have a system that's really not supposed to be outdoors. I mean, obviously you can put it outdoors with some modifications, as they have done. Pressure switch is bad. I don't know where the leak is, so we're gonna have to talk to the customer and see if they want to proceed with a leak check. This is one of those customers where we get a very, very low NTE, not to exceed amount. So basically, I get about an hour to diagnose it. Yeah, I know it's stupid, but it is what it is. So let me go talk to the customer, see what they want to do. All right, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm ducking down behind this train unit here to try to avoid the wind, because apparently I am in the windiest place in the world right now. Anyway, talk to my customer. They would prefer me to just change out this system. New condensing unit, new evaporator, and a new line set, and get them up and run them permanently. Apparently this unit has been giving them nothing but trouble, so that's what we're going to do, alright? So stick around. If there is a part 2, I'll post it up later. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little tour of what I'm doing today. See you guys in the next one.